the day after we poured the concrete. It's about 24 hours later, so I'm walking on it. Just trying to keep everything hosed off so that it doesn't lose moisture too fast and not cure as strong. You can see there's some black spots here and there. I've been told this is pretty normal. It's usually just trapped moisture, and eventually it should start to even out in color. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it came out. I mean, it's huge now that I got floors in it. Let me stand in this corner back here. I mean, it looks huge. It is huge. It doesn't look huge. It is huge. So, yeah, you can see a lot of black spots over here. Yeah, we'll see what happens with it. And then we got radiant heat went pretty good. I gotta go through a lot of this concrete that splashed. It was a little wet on the first pour, but you can see it just comes right off. So maybe I'll get in here with the power washer with a brush or something and scrub it all off one of these days. But damn birds are already shitting on my concrete. I gotta get doors in here. The doors are coming in. It's another week or two. Get doors in here, get this place closed off. And then just gotta do the final grading and I can close out the permit. I wanna look into doing something with the floors, either polishing them or epoxy coating them or doing vinyl floor. But I mean, they're incredibly smooth. Like I don't know how to, it's not just the water that's making it smooth. They're probably as smooth as a granite countertop, if not smoother. And I've read that sometimes that's the case because, or the reason why this turns black, because if you try and, I guess, cure the top layer too fast to get it as smooth as possible, that sometimes this can happen. I don't know, I gotta do some more research into it, but yeah, I can't wait to get these doors in. Then I won't have all this auto-focusing issues and all this light shining everywhere, and it'll be great. All the 12 by 12 carriage house garage doors are finally installed, and I think they look amazing. They have the 6-pane glass. They have the carriage house hardware in black. They're, I think they're HaaS model 660 or something, but they're steel doors. They got the short rib panels, 12 by 12, and yeah, I'm really happy with them. They're steel doors, and they're also highly insulated. They're R13.45 insulation, which is very, very high for a door. And the reason I went with these expensive doors is obviously because they look beautiful, but also because I'm going to be heating the building, so I need really good insulation on this side so I'm not losing a ton of heat through the doors. I love them with the Dutch corners and the carriage house hardware. I think it looks great. They don't look too oversized, and once this parking lot's brought up, they're going to look a little more square and everything. Right now they look very rectangular because you can still see some of the concrete, and there's no level parking lot with them. So I think it's going to look really, really gorgeous when all that's done. Contractor dropped off the old excavator because we're starting the final grade here, I guess tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm starting the final grade, so we're going to finish the parking lot. We're going to finish the driveway, rip out the construction entrance, place it. We got to put a big stormwater trench here that's 30 foot long, 9 foot wide, 4.5 foot deep. I got to put a big infiltration trench here next to the driveway for all the driveway stormwater, since it's an increase of 1,800 square foot impervious. I'm going to do a skirt all the way around, so from there all the way around to there I'm going to do a skirt in this stone, maybe put some nice river rock on it or concrete to keep lawn equipment off it. But man, I'm happy with these doors. They came out really good. Still walk back a little bit, get some street view. See, it really doesn't look that ridiculous next to the house. Obviously the house is smaller, but I can bump the house out 25 foot that way, come basically 100 foot this way, and go up however many floors I want. I can have a maximum building height of 35 foot in this township, so I could build a mansion over here. I mean, it's kind of a knockdown. Knock it down, build a huge mansion over there one day, and have the beautiful garage right next to it. It looks killer from this angle with the cupola and the snow guards and the black trim and the Dutch corners. And oh man, they did a great job, and I'm really happy with all the design selections I made. Anyway, final grade coming up, and then I get my use occupancy or occupancy permit, whatever the heck it's called. I can start using the building soon. Hopefully things start coming together real fast here at the end. There was a big delay with the concrete and the radiant heat just because of, you know, just takes time to get that stuff in and done. Do a little inside view. It's not too dark in here, but I mean, you can't really work in here with just the light from the doors. So definitely gonna have to do some serious LED lighting, but I don't know. I love them. I love the doors. They look great. I love the 12 by 12. Fit some big stuff in here. Don't have to worry about getting big trucks in here to install lifts and dynos and CNC machines and all those toys that I want to get. They did a really nice job. HaaS model 660, I think they are. They installed the locks, they got ropes, everything. They set me up real nice. Obviously, I gotta do openers, which is gonna cost a freaking fortune. It's probably gonna be like $2,000 in openers for these puppies because they're so big. You probably need 3/4 to 1 horse openers, but get it figured out in due time. And then, yeah, I'm really glad I put the radiant heat over here because it's like, this is useless space. This is completely useless space because I didn't realize the doors come out another like 6 inches. So really I'm losing like a foot of space in the front. So really my 36 is probably gonna be close to a 34 after I get walls on everything and get everything tucked away. So this is perfect. Build a little room right here maybe, or just leave it like that because I can mount this on the walls, put my electric box here, and I think that's gonna be perfect, having like a little utility room over here, put the boiler up there. Whatever utilities I need, I can put over there. But, oh man, I'm so glad I went with the 36 foot and everything, and I'm ecstatic. And the wall should fit perfectly behind all this conduit here. It's a little crook I got to play with it, but you can see I got some extension cords for some temporary power, and Love it. Can't wait to get the insulation in here, walls, and start actually doing some work in here. I still got a couple more weeks for the concrete to cure before I can even think about the lift, and the lift needs 3-phase power, and that might be a little while too before it goes in, so we'll see. Lots going on. I'm excited to get this project done and start using this because it's been very, very stressful and time consuming, but it has also been a whole bunch of fun, and I learned a ton. Temperature in here isn't too bad. I do have the black roof, but I think if I get some fans in here, get some big fans in here, get properly insulated in walls, I don't think it's gonna be that bad in the summer. I can always air condition it for like 5 or 6 grand is what I calculate it based upon how I'm insulating it and the square footage. But the winter's gonna be sweet with this radiant heat. Get that hooked up one day. Anyway, on to the final grade.